Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy How to Make It. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of star anise. This star-shaped spice is not only known for its unique flavor but also for its incredible health benefits. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 benefits of star anise and share 5 easy recipes to help you incorporate it into your diet. Let's go! First up, star anise is a fantastic immune booster. It's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and A, which help protect your body from harmful free radicals and keep your immune system strong. This can be especially helpful during cold and flu season. Next, it's great for your digestive health. Star anise has been traditionally used to relieve digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural compounds help to promote healthy digestion and soothe your stomach. Star anise has powerful antimicrobial properties, thanks to the compound anethole. This makes it effective against bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. Incorporating star anise into your diet can help protect you from various infections. It's also packed with essential nutrients. Star anise contains a variety of vitamins and minerals such as iron, manganese, and calcium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health, supporting bone health, and promoting energy levels. Lastly, star anise may aid in respiratory health. It has expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and phlegm, making it easier to breathe. It's a natural remedy often used to alleviate symptoms of coughs and bronchitis. 5 easy recipes to incorporate star anise. One simple way to enjoy star anise is by making star anise tea. Here's how you do it. Steep 2 to 3 star anise pods in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy a soothing and aromatic tea that's perfect for any time of the day. Star anise spiced oatmeal. Add star anise to your morning oatmeal for a flavorful twist. Simply add 1 to 2 star anise pods to your oatmeal as it cooks. Remove the pods before serving, and you'll have a deliciously spiced breakfast. Star anise infused syrup. Make a star anise infused syrup to drizzle over pancakes or desserts. Combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 3 star anise pods in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and use as the sweet, spiced topping. Star anise chicken marinade. Create a unique marinade for chicken. Mix a 1/4 cup soy sauce, a 1/4 cup honey, 2 crushed star anise pods, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours before cooking. Star anise apple compote. For a delightful dessert or topping, make star anise apple compote. Peel and slice 4 apples. Then cook them in a saucepan with a 1/4 cup water, a 1/4 cup sugar, and 2 star anise pods. Simmer until the apples are soft and the mixture is thick. Remove the star anise before serving. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of star anise and how to incorporate it into your diet. With these easy recipes, like, comment, and subscribe so you can enjoy more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.